Hey guys, welcome back to the Financial Fox channel. I hope you're all having another great day. My name is Bob, and today we'll be discussing the top 3 stocks that I'm either watching or buying in the month of August. Before we get started though, I have listed some of my favorite investing books down in the description below and their links. Please feel free to check those out. Also, the most important thing, please subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. It really helps out my channel and it gets my videos out to a much larger audience. Now, let's get into it. So, the first stock I'll be watching or buying in the month of August is Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. Now, this stock has been hitting all-time highs recently, around the $435 range as of today. And there's a lot of reasons why Apple has been hitting all-time highs recently. They just reported their second quarter earnings and it blew everybody out of the water. And the first reason why Apple stock is surging is because when they reported earnings, they reported $59 billion in revenue for the quarter, which showed an increase of 11% year over year. They beat everybody's expectations over by $7 billion, which is huge, especially for what's going on. The second reason why is because of the earnings that they had. Analysts expected Apple to have an earnings ratio of $2.09 a share, when Apple crushed those expectations at $2.58 a share. And the last reason why the Apple is surging is because they just announced a stock split. Apple is splitting their stock into 4. Now remember, for any current investors, that doesn't mean that you're wealthier. If I give you 5 $1 bills for a $5 bill, it doesn't make you any richer. But since Apple is doing this, it'll make it a lot easier for retail investors to buy actual whole shares rather than fractional ones. In my opinion, Apple is easy money. I mean, this stock was my first individual stock purchase I ever got, and I've been investing ever since I started trading. I really do believe in this company and their financials are outstanding. And like I said before, I am an Apple investor currently, and with this stock split of 4-1, I'm still investing. I do truly think that Apple will be the first company to reach that $2 trillion market cap, and with this stock, you get growth and a dividend on top of that. Now, let's move on to the second stock that I'm watching for the month of August, and that company is PayPal, ticker symbol PYPL. The current stock price for PayPal is at $197.07 a share, and they do not offer a dividend currently. For those that's not familiar with what PayPal does, they are the leader in digital payments. PayPal's popularity started with eBay. eBay partnered with PayPal and it was their preferred way of payment once you bought or sold anything on eBay's platform. But recently, eBay did try to get away from PayPal of having them being the preferred way. The different type of payment products PayPal owns and is in charge of is obviously PayPal itself, PayPal Credit, Venmo, iZettle, and Braintree. PayPal stock has been hitting all-time highs right now, and for good reason. Since the illness, contactless payments have been growing in popularity, and PayPal has been benefiting from this. So the illness is forcing people to pay with contactless payments rather than cash at local retailers and restaurants. PayPal reported the best earnings they ever had as a company this past second quarter. During that second quarter, their payment volume grew 29% year over year. And they added more than 21 million new customers to their profile. So, regarding PayPal's stock price, it's just shy of $200 a share at $197. Back when the illness started here, it was down to $80 a share, which means if you would have invested back then, you would have over doubled your investment by now. Even though PayPal is hitting all-time highs right now, I really do feel like they have a bright future ahead of them, and with the new normal, they could gain even more popularity. I will try to start a position here very soon with PayPal, as soon as a little bit of a pullback happens. And the last but not least stock that I'll be watching in the month of August is Workhorse, ticker symbol WKHS. Their stock price is currently at $19.18 a share, and they do not offer a dividend. Workhorse is an electric vehicle startup company. They sell and lease electric vehicles, and they have two different divisions, an aviation side and an automotive side. Workhorse offers light and medium duty trucks, as well as electric cargo vans as well. They also offer a drone delivery service. I did just recently do 2 videos on Workhorse on my channel. I will have their links in the description below. So, the month of August will be an extremely interesting month for Workhorse. They are currently in a bidding war against 3 other companies for a USPS contract that is worth $6 billion. And if Workhorse wins any kind of portion of this contract, it would be huge for the company. The postmasters can announce a winner at pretty much any time, but in my opinion, I feel like they'll be announcing one maybe by the end of this month or early September. Whenever they announce the winner, Workhorse stock will be affected either negatively or positively. I do have a feeling that Workhorse will win some kind of portion of this contract, and it will boost the stock price immensely. I'm going to predict that if they do win, it'll be up to $100 a share. So, big news came out today for Workhorse. Workhorse owns 10% of Lordstown Motors, and Lordstown Motors CEO just announced today that they are joining with another company called Diamond Peak Holdings, which is another SPA company. So that means they'll be publicly traded under this company, and their ticker symbol is DPHC. So this will increase the value of Lordstown Motors, and it'll eventually trickle down to Workhorse because Workhorse owns 10% of Lordstown Motors. Workhorse might not be the next Tesla, but I feel like they have a lot more room to grow as a company. I believe that this company in the stock is a buy right now. Now, please guys, remember, I am not a licensed financial broker. Please do your own research. Leave a comment and let me know if you guys have been either watching or buying these 3 companies that I mentioned today. I hope I have enlightened you all about these 3 companies and these possible investments. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit that like button.